Hey guys, Ricky Martin from Rickymartinthesecurityguy.com. Bringing you another video today. Today we're going to talk about CIW certs and how stacking them with CompTIA or CISSP or other third-party vendors can give you additional certifications. So similar to the video I did previously for CompTIA stacking certs, so that's within CompTIA. This one is leveraging CIW, which a lot of people may be asking, what is CIW? So it's another certification company, especially if you're familiar with online school, universities, especially online programs. I know from my own experience with WGU, there was a lot of courses that center around CIW certification as part of the course. So that's where I got my first exposure with CIW, was through WGU. I'm sure other people have similar experience. There are other companies that actually leverage CIW as part of their certification requirements. So you can definitely check out their website. I'll put some links in the description as well. So as I mentioned, CIW, so in my case, they had a Web Security Associate certification that I had to take for one of my courses that I was doing. But because I also have the Cert Security Plus with CompTIA, and I have the CISSP with ISC², I actually was able to get 2 additional certs after writing that one certification exam. So after getting the Web Security Associate, I also got the Specialist, so Web Security Specialist, and then the Web Security Professional, because of having 2 certs with third-party vendors. So they have a list of vendors, certifications. So it could be, there's, I believe, Checkpoint, there's some additional ones, if I'm not mistaken, there's Cisco certifications, there's a huge list of third-party vendors that you can get have a certification with, and they would complement the Web Security Associate. So in my case, I wrote the Web Security Associate and then submitted proof of my other certifications, and then within a couple days I got a response back with my Specialist and then my Professional certification designation. So it just goes to show CompTIA is not the only one who does it. And I'm definitely looking into how you can leverage some of those other certifications with other vendors. But as you can see, it's great when you have multiple certs that can complement each other and build off of that. So I'm gonna put together some other videos as I find more content like this that vendors are leveraging other vendor certifications, and if I have any of them, I'll definitely talk about them, as this is my own experience. I did write another CIW certification exam, but it didn't have these complementing additional certifications based off other vendor certifications. So like I said, if you like this content, definitely give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, as I'm going to have more videos coming on a regular basis, especially during quarantine. Just keeping things busy and making sure I can put out some good content for you. So if there's anything specifically you guys want to see, definitely shoot something in the comments. But otherwise, stay tuned, keep working on your certs, and hit that subscribe button, and see you on the next video. Take care.